So yesterday I was showing how to change the CMOS battery on the LifeBook. Today we are going to talk about the memory upgrade. So I got some RAM stick here and we are going to upgrade that. So first let's see how much memory we have in the machine. So let's enter the BIOS. So you can see the machine still has the date, which is nice. If we go in info, we can see that it's an Intel Pentium RM735 at 170 GHz with two memory slots, one with 500 megs of RAM, DDR SO-DIM, and one without any memory. So let's fix that. So I switch on the machine. And as you can see, I'm using the dock. So I managed to find out how it works. So the documentation was implying it should be like that, but it has to be like that. And these things are actually the slots which help you finding out the position to put the connector. So let's see. It's even easier, sorry, much easier than charging the CMOS battery. There is only one screw here, and there's a big panel here. You slide here, and here it's what you have. Just a single memory stick. Just slide it, hop, take it out. So Inix PC 2700 512 meg DDR 33 MHz CL 2.5. One goes like that. There is a small notch. Yeah, that's new ones. 1 GB DDR 400. Yeah, so it's supposed to be faster memory actually. And I put back that one here. Here there is a network module, which is probably possible to replace with antenna cables. Then we put that back here. Screw back. The pause is much longer. Probably because there are more memory. I'm not sure if it's doing memory check. So. And here we can see total memory 2 GB, memory slot 1 MB, memory slot 2, 1 MB. So save and exit. And we'll try to see if we can enter Windows XP. Welcome. And the nice thing with the dock is that you can have a second screen connected. Yeah, the machine is still doing the disk access, so it's a bit slow. And here we can see we have one screen on second screen, and it is connected on the dock. Same thing with the mouse, which is kind of practical. So that was mainly what I wanted to do. So the next step will be to install that, but I still don't have received the SSD, so I have no idea when it's going to arrive. It's somewhere in the post.